All right, so today I'm probably going to say something that sounds completely backwards. I own this affiliate platform. I built it specifically for my affiliates. It's called the PAM platform, the Private Affiliate Market Pacer platform. I sell products. I built this for the affiliates. And yet, one of my biggest goals is that someday many of my affiliates they'll stop promoting my products. Now, before you click away, let me explain what I mean by that. So, because, this has been my philosophy from the beginning. For years, I have wanted people to build a real online business. And, it's one of the biggest reasons I built this platform differently than most other affiliate programs. When I started building this platform, I wasn't asking myself, how do I get people to promote my products forever? I was asking, how do I help people build a real business online? Those are two completely different questions. So if the one thing that someone learns from me is how to copy and paste an affiliate link, then honestly, I don't think I've done a good job. That's not really what my job is, because affiliate links are everywhere on the internet. Business skills are much harder to find. So, over the years, I've watched people put all their eggs into one company or, one platform, one compensation plan, one product, one opportunity, and then something changes. Maybe the commissions get reduced. Maybe the MLM company goes straight affiliate, and those people who built teams completely lost the way they got paid. Because even with MLM, you don't own a business. You're not in business for yourself. I know that's one of the arguments is, hey, when you join an MLM, you're your own business owner. Well, not really, because you still don't have a say over the products. The compensation plan changes, the pricing, you don't actually control any of that. Therefore, you're not truly the business owner. There's still a CEO and managers and marketing teams and things in place in those companies that have nothing to do with the person who's actually promoting it. So that's why I personally do not like MLM models. So, if you've built on these platforms or with these other companies, maybe they go away due to just shutting down. That happens all the time. So you never want to build something where you're completely reliant on that platform still existing. Because if everything disappears, so does your business or your income model. And that's exactly what I don't want people to have happen inside my platform. So if you watch this series, then you've probably noticed that I repeat a lot of the same things over and over. I emphasize, email lists, bridge pages, content, traffic, products, AI, frameworks. There's a reason I do this. Those are all assets. Those are things that you can build that nobody can take away. You can't take away my video content. Even if YouTube goes away, I still have the video content. I can still put the videos up on the internet. Nobody can take knowledge away from you once you develop that. No one can take your ability away to create your own products. Nobody can take your marketing skills once you learn them. Those are things that would belong to you. And that's what I actually want people building. Some people have asked me, if your goal is for people to build their own product someday, why did you create your own product library? And you can see the product library we have over here. These are the products we've initially got up. These are some things that I found that were trending. So I built products and solutions to those problems so that people could buy these products. We have an Instagram product, a YouTube product, a couple YouTube products, and then just some general business products. Those are things that I found that were trending. And I'll probably show people how I find trending things and develop products and make them really good so that then you can sell a digital PDF. And that's just a process I go through, and then we market those things and I show other people how to market those things. And I built this so that people who are brand new don't get so overwhelmed. You don't have to have your own product, even though one day that might be the goal. You don't have to create your own sales pages right now. You don't have to understand email marketing. You don't have to know how all the traffic works yet. So that's why I developed this, so that I could remove some of those barriers that people hit when they first get started. I don't have to say, hey, go build everything by yourself. I wanted people to have something valuable that they could promote while they learned. And that's why, like, I'm developing and working on continuously this training center down here. Think of it like, training wheels when you're learning to ride a bike. The training wheels aren't supposed to stay on the bike forever. They're just supposed to be there to help you balance. And then once you get used to it and get the hang of it, then you take the wheels off. And that's kind of what I want people to think when they come into here. Yes, I can come in, I can find a product I like, I can promote this, I can also tap into marketing and traffic that's already working. I can buy some traffic, I can see some sales, I can see how the system works, and then hopefully a light bulb goes off and you can say, wow, I could actually promote some of these things on my own and learn, so that when I get commissions from me sharing my own link, I make more profit doing that versus buying traffic from the system to get me sales. Even though those campaigns can be profitable too, the more you can, grow your own email list and your own assets, promote products too, the bigger the profit margin becomes for you. So the more people I'm watching join this program, the more I realize that this isn't going to be just another affiliate program or a platform. It's going to become kind of a classroom where people can come on here, see some success. They can learn from the video and the content that I will be adding to here. They can ask questions. They can test their ideas. They can learn how to generate traffic. They can learn what the products are, what they solve, and then the markets that need to be promoted to them. They can learn AI. They can learn how to build their own email marketing lists. And, commissions are great and the products are great, but the education is what I hope people take advantage of, because I think that would become the more valuable part. And, I'm okay with that, because if I can help people find a good balance and become good affiliate marketers where they are building their own assets, but then also have access to promote great products, then maybe they find other great products to promote. And then maybe one day they say, hey, I want to make my own product because I see a need for, a problem that's out there. I have the solution. I'm going to create my own product. I've already built the assets and I have some traffic to promote my own product to now. Because when you promote your own product, it's 100% profit. So, and if you're not there yet, that's okay. That's kind of the gradual over, imagine 2 years from now, here's what success would look like for me. So imagine you join, this platform today. You promote a few of the products that are on here. Maybe you buy some traffic, you see a couple sales, you start sharing the link, you start building content around the products so that you can share your link and get conversions that way. You learn how to email market and get your own leads to your own funnels. You build your own YouTube channel, whether that's faceless, or you put your face out there. Either way, it doesn't matter. It's about the content and if the content's actually good. But what you're doing is you're building an audience. And then you create your own product down the road. And then maybe you still promote my products if you want to. But now you have your own product that you can start selling, something that you created. That would make me incredibly proud that people could take what they're learning and eventually get to the point where they're promoting their own products. And if you don't want to ever promote your own product, that's fine too. But maybe while promoting my products, you find other products that align with the assets you've been building and you promote those too. So you have multiple streams of income coming in from multiple affiliate programs. And then you're not dependent on just one platform. You're not dependent on me. You're not dependent on the other platform or product that you're promoting. You have the asset built and you can promote anything you want. You're actually building your own business. That's actually why I spend so much time talking about these systems, because systems transfer. You can promote my products, someone else's products, or your own products, but the process is almost identical. You still need traffic, you still need trust, you still need content, you still need to build an email list, and you still need a sales process. Those skills never stop being valuable. So if you're following this whole series or my YouTube channel or this series, Problem to Profit, you've hopefully noticed something. The platform has never really been the point of what I do. The platform is simply where I'm demonstrating the framework. I, over the last couple months, have built out an entire business doing exactly what I'm talking about. There's a problem. I've done research. I've built frameworks, workflows. I've developed skills. I've created products. We have sales pages for every product. I have a traffic system. We have customers. And then I'm just repeating that process. That's the system. Whether you use my platform or another platform or eventually build your own, that's the thinking I hope you're taking away from these videos. So yes, I generally hope that someday many of my affiliates stop depending on my products. Not because I want them to leave, but because I want them to grow. If they continue promoting my products, great. I mean, I always welcome people promoting my stuff. That's awesome. If they eventually create products on their own, that's even better, because then they own something. Because that means, that they learned something much bigger than just affiliate marketing. They learned how to build an actual online business, or at least own the asset to where you can promote anything you want online, whether that's, your email list, your social media following, things like that. So, over the next couple of videos and in the next couple of weeks, I hope to show you, some of my nitty gritty AI workflows and kind of how this is all pieced together. And when you develop the right frameworks and workflows, you'll save hundreds of hours of time building businesses. And then where I can share some of that, obviously I will, because you can take frameworks and workflows and just swap out, the criteria that is that's personal to you, and use the same workflows to build your type of business. It doesn't have to be in the same niche, because entrepreneurs, there should be a repeatable system for every entrepreneur, and you just can plug and play different things that make sense for the business that you want to build. So anyway, if you found some value in this video, I'd really appreciate the like. Leave me a comment. Ask questions. If you'd like an invite to this platform, message me on Instagram or Facebook, and I'll get you a link and you can play around. I think we have just over 350 people on the platform right now, with about 70 of them who are upgraded or grandfathered in. So we do have people that are still beta testing. I think we'll probably do an official launch in the next week or so, to where people can really start focusing on marketing the products and showing the value there. So if you would leave me a comment, like I said, like the video, hype the video if YouTube gives you that option, because it helps the algorithm get it out there. But either way, I will see you guys on the next video.